guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new mukbang for you guys, and in today's mukbang I am eating Jamaican food. This was actually requested by one of you guys on Instagram, so I'm very excited to get to eating. So if you guys would like to see this mukbang and you guys would like to have some dinner with me, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, Jamaican food is not necessarily foreign to me. I think I've tried just about everything on the table right now. Not from this particular restaurant, and maybe there's some differences in here, but my father-in-law is actually Jamaican, so yeah. It's not foreign to me. My boyfriend grew up on Jamaican food as well, so I've definitely had a lot of this food before. But really quickly, what I have here is I have some cabbage, I have some jerk chicken, that's a must. This is more jerk chicken as well. I have some fish, and these meals all have rice with them. This is some extra rice over here. I have oxtail. I love oxtail. There's some sweet plantain in there, and then I have stewed chicken with some cabbage and rice over here. I'll show you guys as I go trying everything. I also have some snacks. These snacks, this is plantain chips. Dominicans eat this all the time, so I'm very familiar with this. These are called cheesies. I've never had these, so I'm gonna try that. And then I have these 3 candy bars. This is called Catch. This is called Tiki. And then this is another one called Tiki. This one is chocolate bolt, and this one is vanilla truffle. All right, you guys, so this is a lot of food. I think this is the most food I've ever had for a mukbang ever, but I'm so freaking excited because I have not eaten anything. Oh, and I have some D&G soda. This is cola champagne. Sorry, my nose got so itchy. But I have not eaten anything all day, so I'm really hungry. I'm gonna just start off with some rice. Let me just clear the table a little bit. Ooh. I've definitely had jerk chicken more than once before. I love Jamaican food, y'all. I really do. All of food. Plantains are not new to me. None of this is honestly new to me. But I still appreciate you guys for recommending this. If you guys never had Jamaican food, you have to go eat Jamaican food, like right now. It's so good. And honestly, it's also similar to what I actually grew up on. Cabbage is an overall favorite of mine too. I appreciate you guys for actually like sending me suggestions on what food you want me to do a mukbang on. If you guys have any more suggestions, let them in the comments down below. I already wrote down some. Obviously you guys requested. Now that you guys have seen the food, I'm just gonna close this so I can have more space because this is overcrowded over here. What was I gonna say? Yeah, this was obviously requested by you guys, so I'm gonna get to the other ones as well. You know, jerk chicken. This is some good jerk chicken. This is so good. I'm pretty sure I had D&G soda as well. I just remember having it. Yeah, I've definitely had this. You guys, I should just turn my channel into just a mukbang channel. Like, I can just eat all day. Like, this is so good. I'm gonna move on for the sake of the video and eat some other things. I'm just making space here. This cabbage is bomb. Some of you guys told me that you actually like when I'm talking during the video. I don't have anything specific to talk about except for the food. But in this actual video, I'm gonna use the same fork. I have some onions. That's like the best onion I've had in my life. It's like pickled and hella spicy, but nothing I can't handle. So I'm gonna have some fish. You guys, is it weird? When I was younger, I kind of would still do it too. I eat fish eyeballs. And this is whitening fish, I believe. Why is this so good? I love whitening fish. Okay, I'm gonna find the name of this restaurant and tag it below. This food is way too good for you guys not to be put on. If you guys are in New York City, I'm gonna let y'all know, because this food is bomb. And I've had Jamaican food from other restaurants, and honestly, it just wasn't hidden right. Like it didn't. Here I'm still stuttering. It didn't taste as like authentic, but this restaurant just. Oh my god. It's like everything. Okay, so I almost forgot to mention these, but these are dinner mints, and I'm gonna finish it off with these. Oh my god, I suck at mukbanging, you guys. I did not show you the food up close yet. So this is the chicken and the plantains and the rice. This is the cabbage. Oh, the fish is already beat up. This is the fish. You guys already saw the jerk chicken and the other one. Same thing. Oxtail, stewed chicken. Don't worry, you guys. As time goes by and I become more of a mukbanger, you guys, I'm gonna get better at showing you guys the food. All right, if any of you guys eat fish eyeballs, show me in the comments down below, okay? I don't think it's weird. I forgot who used to tell me like if I eat fish eyeballs. They said that's why my eye's so big, because I eat fish eyeballs. Somebody in my family told me that. Honestly, I don't know why lately, like in all my mukbangs, I've been feeling a little bit like nostalgic, kind of weird. I'm gonna go for the oxtail. I love oxtail. Is that surprising to y'all? I say I love everything. If you guys do recommend me a cuisine to try next, or to do a mukbang for next, is make sure to recommend specific dishes if you'd like me to try a specific dish. I'm gonna have some more chicken. Me and jerk chicken, we have a thing going on. You know, regular stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like regular stuff. Truthfully, you guys, I just had a day of pampering myself, and this is the best way to end it. Also, I have a Warriors game to watch, so that's actually the best way to end it, but this is the best food to end it with. All right, so we're going in for the stewed chicken. I don't know if I ever had this. Oh, I had this. In my opinion, like all Caribbean food is very similar, just difference in seasoning. That's with every food though, kind of. Yeah, I think I'm starting to get the itis. I'm starting to get tired. Some real stuff right here. I think in one of my last mukbangs, I haven't been replying to too many comments. I just haven't really had that time yet, and I haven't set the time aside, so I apologize. It's hard when you upload it every single day, so it's kind of like, you know, it's a lot of comments and stuff. But I appreciate you guys. Don't stop commenting. I'm gonna get to you guys eventually, but I saw one of you guys ask what happens to all the leftovers. I don't just throw them away. I don't throw away food like that, y'all. Like, I was not raised like that. Food is very important. So I just keep them as leftovers and stuff. If I have enough for leftovers, it usually just stays as leftovers, and I'll eat it within the next couple of days. But yeah, I don't just throw food away like that. Not in my house, son. Yo, I'm getting full. This is a lot of food. Honestly, this is probably the most food I've had for a mukbang. It's come time for me to try the snacks. This is probably the only thing I'm not super familiar with, is the snacks. Minus the plantain chips. This is regular. These are the lightly salted ones. I like the garlic ones as well. But I love these. Yummy. Okay, if you guys never had plantain chips before, I don't know. I guess you live under a rock or something. I'm gonna do some dancing TikToks soon. I just need to, you know, freshen up. Okay, next thing I'm gonna try is the cheesies. Like cheese doodles. You know what? Moment of appreciation, because this bag is not half full filled with air. Like it actually has it's a bag filled of chips. Like it's full. Like it stops right here, okay? This is how bags used to come before. I don't want to say back in the day because I'm not that old, right? It's like hard cheese doodles, but the flavor's a little bit different. Like the cheese is different. It tastes good though. I like it. I'm gonna snack on it. Alright. Y'all, this is a lot. I'm gonna go in for the chocolate bars. I'm gonna take a small bite out of each, y'all, because I'm full. Alright, the first one I'm gonna try is the cat. The first one I'm gonna try is catch, and it says soft caramel and crisp rice and milk chocolate. It sounds like a Twix to me, except for the rice part. Oh, this looks nice. So this is what it looks like. That's good. By the way, if you guys didn't know, me and chocolate, we are married. Like, married. I love chocolate, especially milk chocolate. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Tiki Gold, and this is chocolate bolts. So it is a chocolatey coated wafer with a chocolate cream filling. It's a lot of chocolate. So it looks like this. That's good. It reminds me of like wafers, just in a bar. Now I'm trying the vanilla one. Oh, this is what it looks like. I kind of want to go back to some foods, but I need to take a break. Like, you guys ever eat like that? Like, it's just like, okay, I have to take a break now, and then you're gonna come back to it in like maybe 30 minutes to an hour. I need a break. This food is so good, and I tried a little bit of everything. I'm gonna end it off with a dinner mint, and yeah. And that's just a regular peppermint taste. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I ate so much food. I feel like I'm a little bit high, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have so much food left too, like, but honestly, I enjoyed this mukbang. I think I ate a lot. I'm super full. I feel a little bit high. Like, I need to go take a nap now. I have the itis. I'm gonna come back to this later on, that's for sure. And let me know in the comments down below what other cuisine you want me to do a mukbang on, what other cuisine you want me to try. I've seen a couple and they're interesting because I don't think I've tried food from these places before. Stay tuned because I'm going to be trying different cuisines, and honestly, I've loved every single cuisine that I've tried, and it just gives me an appreciation of the world. Honestly, I just love food, so it just gives me an insight to the culture and stuff when I do these kinds of things. And I love all cultures, truthfully. But anyways, that's enough talking. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.